How to lose weight during quarantine without exercise. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Health experts say when we're worried or frightened, we're more likely to seek out sugars, fats, and carbs for a quick energy boost. These comfort foods act like a natural tranquilizer that calms us down in times of peril. Researchers say though those foods can add to stress levels, resulting in serious health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, as well as emotional problems such as depression and anxiety. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. Eat nutritious foods. Slowly digested high-fiber foods like whole grains and pasta stabilize blood sugar levels. Studies show that foods containing omega-3 fatty acids protect against heart disease and relieve mild depression. Seafood, nuts, seeds, and oils such as canola, flax, and soybean provide these nutrients. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 2. Portion meals. When you're at home, it's easy to drink from cartons, eat out of containers, or snack from bags. But if you don't measure food, you automatically eat more, which contributes to unwanted weight gain and obesity. Instead of eating from cartons, containers, or bags, portion out snacks and meals on a plate or bowl. Studies show that using smaller plates leads to less eating. 3. Practice mindful eating. Steer clear of gobble, gulp, and go eating while standing, driving, on the run, or watching TV. Treat mealtime as a singular activity with value in its own right. Sitting down, eating slowly, and chewing a few times before swallowing, appreciating textures, aromas, and food flavors help you relax and enjoy the meal as well as aid in digestion. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. 4. Inventory your kitchen. Scientists say that surrounding yourself with healthful foods makes it more likely that you will eat better. When you're stressed, your appetite has a mind of its own and focuses on what's in front of you. 5. Exercise self-care. In addition to good nutrition, the trifecta of health is ample rest and regular exercise. Chances are the places where you've been working out are closed during the quarantine. Find other ways to exercise and stay fit while sequestered at home, such as jogs, walks, push-ups, or lifting weights. However, if you want to learn how to lose without nutritious food, click the link in the description below. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.